In this video, I'm going to talk about our planet rig sale, what happened into the rig sale, and what are type of things that I really got pissed as well, as someone who are playing it really fair and square. So as you can see here, I think I do have a live stream into my YouTube channel, wherein I've live streamed the unpacking and buying these our planet's our planet packs. However, as you can see here, I'm getting a lot of problems here. Sometimes they're saying I'm not whitelisted, so there are some errors on this one, and I think they've also mentioned um, that there will be they will block, like, um, you can only buy one mini pack and one mega pack. I think it has been said here with a 5 minute cooldown period. So I think maybe it is my misinterpretation that maybe you can buy a lot of packs as long as you follow the 5 minute cooldown period. But yeah, I mean, um, the sale, it has been distributed last few days ago, and this got distributed by 4 p.m. This got distributed at 5 p.m. and this one is 6 p.m. And they really said that they will use the atomic system for the sale, so that they will eliminate they will do their best to eliminate the bots from participating in the sale. However, in the recent um, rig sale that happened, I even see this guy right here. Thank you for the tip inside CryptoPunk channel, and a user even posted this one right here, which he got more than a lot of mega packs right here, which is really crazy. I mean, I'm just really pissed. Did you just see how many? It is worth 45k USD. It has he has, right, like 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77 packs right here. He got a mini. He got a lot of mega. In my case, I tried to get one mega pack, but I mean, uh, it just disappeared after like few minutes, and that makes me pissed. It is because how this kind of people are allowed, or even um, able to get one mega pack. If if me myself, I can't even get one, right? So that's just pretty much unfair. And I know life isn't fair at all, but I mean, as you can see into the atomic hub, okay, a lot of people are also selling their mini packs, their rigs, eh, for just really really high price. If you just going to see into this one right here, I think the lowest pack that you could probably buy is around 500 dollars, which is kind of crazy. I mean, okay, I think it has a ratio wherein if you're going to get around $100 for this mini pack, then probably you'll get your ROI for the next 5 months. However, if you just got it in $30, then probably you are ROI in a little bit, maybe 10 days. So that's really crazy. I mean, they um I think there's not really. I mean, atomic market system is kind of like useless, because the bots are not really mitigated, and I wasn't able to buy even one pack. I'm just really praying. Even some of my friends here in the Philippines didn't even buy one. There's a lot of people inside this chat replay haven't able as well to buy one pack. That is why I mean, this is more like the representation of their voice right here, which is kind of like a frustration, let's say. And we're trying to play it fair and square, and of course there's a lot. there's a lot of people are like putting it into the elements. And I think that's pretty much it. I got forced to buy. I mean, due to a suggestion from a fellow commenter on YouTube. I've bought some graffitis. So as you can see here, I've paid around $27 for that one, but I got a pack that is worth more than 50 to $60, which is pretty much amazing. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much getting my 2x money from that graffiti because of that insane luck right here. But yeah, I mean, I think our planet should, think about this one because it's really, really frustrating. A lot of people who are trying to play our planet by doing it fair. A lot of people are even like, you know, waited for hours just to get into the rig sale. Okay, yeah, I think this is the rig sale. Wait, Atomic Hub drops. It is not available already. So I think there's a lot of people who are into that rig sale. A lot of people waited for so long. They even hope for one. They even hope for a mega pack, even though it is not. Even though there's a lot of competition right there. And yeah, I think that is it for this video, guys. I just really hope that um, these people, these freaking bots, just just get just will get their karma because I mean, normal players are suffering on this type of scenario, and as you can see here, even in alien worlds, they are not even like they are not able to prevent the bots from playing the game. There's a lot of bots there, and even in our planet, I think for the rig sale or anything, bots is really the problem. I think a lot. I think maybe they should do a new method wherein probably you can do like a whitelist stuff maybe, and I think they will also. I think they need to fix the issues, small issues like whitelist error and stuff. Something like when you've entered the captcha, okay, when you enter the captcha right here, okay, when you enter the captcha um and you are not really proceeding, I think they should freaking um fix that one because it's really annoying. It's really annoying that uh you don't know what to do. You're refreshing it, and then you sometimes you're rating it. However, when you're rating it, the atomic hub says there is an error or something, and even though it's just really frustrating. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one, and I see you on the next video.